Really convenient, really powerful, really efficient, and a great quality cut. What I found using the RYOBI track saw was just how convenient it was. I could take the track saw easily outside, set it up on sawhorses, and just make the runs that I needed to run, making it convenient for me to use the saw while getting a really professional quality cut out of it.
This track saw is a beast. The woodwork I do, the cabinetry and stuff that I do, the power has to be there. As soon as you pull the trigger, cuts clean. It's just as fast as I can get it out, it's set up and ready to go. First time I used it, I was completely impressed, and I've been impressed ever since.
The RYOBI track saw is easy to use, efficient, accurate. It's portable. Grab my track saw from my drawer, put a battery in it, I'm ready to go. I was really surprised with the power, the accuracy, and how good it was. You can't beat it. I love this tool.
One of my favorite things about the track saw is the ease of use of the depth of cut settings. There's a setting to make a scoring cut. I can also set the depth of the cut that I want to make, whether I'm doing a through cut all the way or doing a plunge cut. I really like the kind of thought that's gone into designing the saw to make it easy and convenient and really efficient for the user to set things up.
This miter saw is as powerful or more powerful than any corded miter saw I've ever used. I just love the versatility of it and the fact that it's lightweight. It doesn't take up a lot of room in my work truck or trailer. And when I get there, I have the power I need, the accuracy, well made, well built. It's a great miter saw.
The best feature about the miter saw is the shadow line. So every time you put a piece in, you know where you're cutting, and it's accurate. It delivered and over-delivered.
I didn't expect as much power out of a miter saw that's powered by a battery as the RYOBI delivers. It cuts through anything I've brought to it, accurate, the settings are perfect. It couldn't be easier.
The RYOBI ONE HP table saw is compact, sturdy, and powerful. With it being as small as it is, I was very impressed with the rip fence and also the strength that it has as well. It doesn't matter how many sheets got moved through. I haven't run through a battery life yet on it. It doesn't bind on the wood, and the cuts are smooth the entire way through.
I really love the ONE platform and how versatile those batteries are, that I can take them out of my miter saw, put them into my track saw, my angle grinder, my yard tools. The same batteries will work in all of my RYOBI power tools.
It's so annoying to have to get a cord out and keep up with it, or your cord break down or fail on you for whatever reason. So I really prefer the battery tools for their reliability.
With the table saw being part of the ONE system, it was very versatile to use with other tools on the job site, such as if you were completing trim work and if you need to take your battery out and put it into the miter saw.
The bang for the buck is unparalleled. You can pay more, but in the end, what you're trying to do is make a cut. And the RYOBI makes amazing cuts at a price point that I think is unmatched.